Hello, warriors. Wow, you guys did not wait at all. Since our upload of our grill attachment and our promo that's happening, we made on Friday, 26th of July, we already have an order that was also placed on Friday, 26th of July, a few hours after we posted our launch. So, warriors, if you remember, I said that the first 10 people to purchase any biochar kiln, the small one, the medium-sized stainless steel, or the cold-rolled stainless steel, will get a grill attachment for free. Well, since there's been an order, now we're down to 9. So there's 9 of you who still stand a chance of getting a grill attachment for free with your order of any one of our 3 biochar kilns. Here is a sneak preview of a customer's kiln that is ready for shipment. This customer ordered a small kiln with our grill attachment. So here we go. Let's take a sneak peek.
Here is a quick reminder of what our small kiln looks like with the grill attachment attached to it.
There we go, ready for shipment. This again is the small biochar kiln with our grill attachment. So go, get them before all the attachments are officially taken, and then you have to purchase them normally. Like, follow, subscribe, share, and let us know that what we are doing is helpful to you on your biochar journey. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, or maybe even Andrew will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye!